Assembling the one-step narrow from Stowaway Steps. This model of our dock steps comes with 5 parts: a top tread, 2 sides, and 2 faces. Start with one side, handle up, and take one face, ensuring the drainage and feet are at the bottom. To assemble, insert the tab into the slots, and press the face panel down to lock. Attach the second face to the side in the same manner, inserting the tab and sliding down to lock. Lift slightly to secure the second side to the 2 faces by inserting the tab into the slots and sliding down to lock. The top tread will only lock into place one way. If it does not lock into place immediately, rotate 90 degrees to ensure the tabs insert into the slots. To disassemble, repeat these steps in reverse order. Lift the top tread off directly, up and off. Lift one side panel up and pull to remove. Remove each face by lifting slightly and pulling away from the side. Lift to remove the second face. Stack the pieces and stow them neatly away.